Hello everyone. In this lecture the difference between gerund, participle, and infinitive is explained in detail with easy examples and explanations. But if you are new to my channel then, please like and subscribe the channel. Well, let's first learn a gerund. It can be defined as a gerund is a verbal noun formed by adding the suffix ing to a verb, effectively turning the verb into a noun. What does it mean? Simply, it means that a gerund is nothing, but it refers to an ing form of a verb which acts as a noun in a sentence. The main point is, a gerund functions as a noun in a sentence. As you know, a noun can function as a subject, an object, and a complement. I think you are not getting the point. Just look at these examples. Reading is my favorite hobby. Look at this example. The word reading is a gerund of this sentence. Basically, this word functions as the subject of this sentence. Actually, if you observe it closely, with the verb read, the suffix ing is used and it functions as a noun, so that is why it is called a gerund. I do not like swimming. Look at this example. The word swimming is a gerund because with the verb swim, the suffix ing is used and it functions as a noun here. But you should not be confused, as a noun can function as the object of the sentence, so gerund can also do the same. So here, it is also the object of this sentence. My favorite hobby is reading. Observe this example. The word reading is a gerund here and it functions as a subject complement. It is not an object but a complement because this gerund plays the role of a complement because it completes the meaning of the subject. As you have understood the gerund, let's learn the participle. A participle is a form of a verb that is used in a sentence to modify a noun. What does it mean? Simply, it means that a participle is nothing, but it is a form of a verb which functions as an adjective in a sentence. This is the main point you should keep in mind, that a participle functions as an adjective in a sentence. Though it is like a gerund, but gerund functions as a noun, and a participle functions as an adjective. If you are not getting the point, just look at these examples. The running water seems very attractive. Just look at this example. Here the word running is a participle which modifies the noun water. Basically, this word functions as an adjective in this sentence, because it tells us about the noun water. Simply, ask yourself, what water seems very attractive? The answer is, the running water. The barking dog needs food. Just pay close look to this example. The word barking is a present participle, which functions as an adjective. Actually, this word plays the role of an adjective because this word modifies the noun, the dog. The laughing child is very happy. Look at this sentence. The word laughing is a participle because it modifies the noun child. Basically, this participle describes the noun child. If I ask you, which boy is very happy, so you will answer that the laughing child. But you should also remember that participle is two types. One is present participle, as we have given these examples, and the second is past participle. Basically, past participles are third form of verbs, which also function as an adjective. Let me also give some examples, then you will understand it. He found a broken chair. Look at this example. The word broken is a past participle. This participle also functions as an adjective, because this participle modifies the noun chair. So, you can see, this is the third form of verb and it functions as an adjective and not a verb. There are so many examples like this. The fallen leaves are yellow. In this sentence the word fallen is a past participle, which is used as an adjective to describe the noun leaves. Basically, it describes the condition of the leaves. So, this is third form of verb which functions as an adjective here. The written letter was found in the book. Here the word written is a past participle, functioning as an adjective describing the noun letter. Basically, it tells us about the state or action of the letter. Well, as you have understood both present participle and past participle, let's learn infinitive. It can be defined as An infinitive is the base form of a verb along with the word to. In English, infinitives are often used as nouns, adjectives, or adverbs. What does it mean? Simply, it means that infinitives are nothing, but they are just base form of verbs, which are used with the word to. Simply, you can say, they are verbs, but before these verbs the word to is used, but it is also the main point that an infinitive will function as an adjective, an adverb, or a noun in a sentence. I think you are not getting the point. Just look at these examples. She ran to catch the bus. Look at this example. The word to catch is infinitive. Basically, the base verb is catch, and before this base verb, the word to is used. So it becomes an infinitive, and sometimes it is also called to infinitive. Here it functions as an adverb here. Basically, it modifies the verb ran. The letter to send is her letter. Look at this example. The word to send is infinitive because the base verb is send, and before this base verb to is used. The next important point is this infinitive functions as an adjective here because it modifies the noun, the letter. She likes to swim. Look at this last example. Again, the word to swim is also an infinitive. The reason is same, because the base verb is swim, and before this base verb to is used. And the last important point is it functions as a noun here in this sentence. As a noun can be an object, so this infinitive is also functioning as an object of this sentence. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, so please don't forget like and subscription to this channel. Thank you.